Gusto nyo bang mag-alaga ng pufferfish pero pang freshwater lang? Hi everyone, this is Zay from Zay Aquatics. Kung naghahanap kayo ng pufferfish na pang freshwater lang, panoorin nyo tong video na to. Ito yung top 5 pufferfish na recommended ko for freshwater. Number 5 sa list, Mabu puffer. Mabu pufferfish are the largest freshwater pufferfish na makikita natin sa aquarium hobby. Lumalaki sila 24 to 36 inches. So it means kakailanganin mo ng napakalaking tank para sa kanila. Number 4 sa list is yung Fahaka puffer. Yung Fahaka puffer, yan yung second largest freshwater pufferfish sa aquarium hobby. Lumalaki din sila up to 18 inches and minimum tank size is 120 gallons. Aggressive sila kaya kung mag-aalaga man kayo ng Fahaka puffer, kailangan sila lang yung nasa tank. Number 3 sa list is yung Amazon puffer. So itong mga Amazon puffer, they prefer to live in groups. So mas okay sila sa high protein diet. And since mahilig sila sa high protein diet, malakas din sila magdumi kaya kailangan din nila ng good filtration. They also love to swim around kaya recommended tank size sa kanila is 55 gallons. Number 2 sa list is Spotted Congo puffers. So yung mga Spotted Congo puffers, lumalaki sila ng 4 to 5 inches. Tulad sa Amazon puffers, yung mga Congo puffers pwede nyo rin silang pagsama-samahin sa isang tank. So kung makikip kayo ng maybe 3 Congo puffers sa isang tank, you need at least 40 gallon tank for them. Number 1 sa list is yung mga pea puffers. Pea puffers are also known as pygmy puffers. Lumalaki sila ng 1 to 1.5 inches. Yung diet naman nila is more on brine shrimp or bloodworms. So recommended sa kanila is minimum of 10 gallon tank. And kahit maliit sila, they have a big attitude. Aggressive sila towards other fishes also. So that's all for now. And don't forget to like this video and paki-follow na rin for more videos like this. And kung may mga comments kayo or suggestions, let me know sa comment section. Yun lang and happy fish keeping!